AirDrop is great for quick file sharing, but slow speeds can be frustrating. Wondering why it takes so long? In this video, we'll cover 11 ways to speed up AirDrop and look at common causes for delays. Part 1. Why is AirDrop taking so long? Slow Wi-Fi network, large file sizes, Mac-related issues, iPhone-related issues, iPhone not connected to Wi-Fi, one or both iPhones not connected to Wi-Fi, distance between devices, issues between different iOS or macOS versions, interference, background processes. Part 2. How to make AirDrop faster. 11 quick solutions. Fix 1. Ensure your devices are closer. Fix 2. Break the AirDrop limits. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Toggle on Content and Privacy. Select Allowed Apps and toggle on AirDrop. Fix 3. Just AirDrop settings. For iPhone or iPad, go for Settings General AirDrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes. For Mac, opt for Apple Menu System Settings General AirDrop and Handoff. Enable Allow Handoff and select Everyone. Fix 4. Update iOS macOS. On iOS, go to Settings General Software Update, tap Download and Install, and restart if needed. On macOS, open Apple Menu System Settings General Software Update. Click Update Now and restart. Fix 5. Re-enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Fix 6. AirDrop smaller files. Slow networks can delay transfers. Cancel and retry with a smaller file to test. For files over 1 GB, consider other transfer methods. Fix 7. Disable personal hotspot. Fix 8. Reset network settings. Fix 9. Disable VPNs. Fix 10. Force restart your devices. Fix 11. Run maintenance on Mac. Part 3. Use an AirDrop alternative to transfer data to new iPhone quickly. Are you looking to transfer data from one iPhone to another without the hassle of using AirDrop? If that is the case, Mobican Transfer for Mobile is here to assist you. How to use Mobican Transfer for Mobile for iOS to iOS data transfer. Step 1. Open the software on your computer and connect both Apple devices via USB. The software will recognize and display them side by side. Step 2. Ensure the correct source and target devices. If needed, click Flip to switch roles. Select the file types to transfer. Step 3. Click Start Copy to begin. Keep both devices connected until the transfer completes.